Hello, client family. Don Williams here again. To this week, what we're going to discuss is when to shoot and when it's justifiable to take deadly force when somebody's trying to break into your home. In the newsletter, I laid out 6 instances where you probably want to shoot, and I also, within those 6, laid out instances where you want to refrain from shooting. And I specified that in a touchy time like this, when somebody's coming into your home and about to do you and your loved ones harm, you don't really care about how law enforcement is going to feel about it. The only thing you're concerned with is, I have to protect my life. I don't want anybody harming me or those in the house that I love. That's all you care about in that instance. And what I'm attempting to do, client family, is giving you some things that you can consider in those split seconds to allow you to make the most prudent decision. All right, let's go over them. If you think the intruder is about to kill you or cause you serious injury, let's get into killing you is simple. The guy coming in, you think he's got a knife or a gun, or it's a bunch of them, and they busting in the door. You done told them, hey, get out of here, and they coming in with firearms, and you can tell they not playing and they mean business, and they gonna take your life. You know you got to fire away. Serious bodily harm. That's a fancy legal word for shoot you, maim you, kill you, beat you to an inch of your life, rape your children, rape your wife, do things like that of that nature. You know you got to take force, and sometimes deadly force when that's the situation. If you verbally commanded the person to leave and they're complying, meaning they're attempting to run out of the house, the man's back is to you, he's exiting out of the door. The person is climbing in the window, you draw down on him with your firearm, you say, get out of here, get the hell out of here. And he starts to attempt to comply, then you don't need to fire on him, because now it's no longer justified, because now the threat isn't at a level where you're in danger. Or if he's all the way in the house, you draw down on him and he turns and runs as if he's leaving, there's no need to fire on him if he continues to leave. You just keep your firearm on him and wait on him to leave. Now, if he comes back with a firearm, then you may have to use deadly force. But if he leaves, don't fire. There's no need. Just call law enforcement. All right? Deadly force to taking of a life should always be reserved for those times when you think that he's going to kill you, and the only way he won't kill you or harm you is by using your firearm. Or if you think he's going to harm somebody else in the house. I know that sounds very redundant. Now, the gray area situations are if you're a single woman, you live at home, and the individuals coming in your home are a great deal larger than you, or if you're a man and they got you greatly outnumbered and you don't know what they're going to do. Well, at that level, you got to either fire a warning shot or wound them or do something, exert a level of force that will scare them. And then after scaring doesn't work and they keep on coming, then you may have to then move to deadly force. Always make deadly force your last scenario, and always contact law enforcement when it's over. To those of you that found value in this video, send your comments in. And if there are areas about this instance that I didn't cover, or something that left you having more questions, and you want additional details about how you should conduct yourself, about what the state of Louisiana says about, hey, when it's appropriate to shooting, and I wasn't detailed enough, feel free to inbox me and I will further elaborate. And that's the best I can do for you there. I'll see you guys again next week, and we will delve into another topic. Thank you for tuning in. And if you are a person that receives a newsletter, I hope you enjoyed it. Also, if you aren't on my newsletter list and would like to be on my newsletter list, feel free to inbox me on the business Facebook page, and I will put you in the database and you will get my monthly newsletter every month. Thank you so much. See you guys on next month.